close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right.
So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Again, but me not say nothing because I joke time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire go on, Parry, fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In at the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
Hey Paris, blessed Wednesday afternoon to you. Hope you're doing good, hope you're having a good day. Even though some people are still, me still under quarantine. The quarantine is still alive. It is sort of coming down a little bit. And so, I just hope everything is going good with you and your fam. Now today's video is about me. This Jamaican Debbie strain. Most of the videos will be about me and my journey, my St. Mary. I told you it's gonna be like a sort of personal thing. We'll have a little here and there videos, but it's gonna be about mostly my journey, my lifestyle, and some other little something. You know, my roots and all my journey of life, my way of life, my journey and everything. So I want to share with you. Some people, or a lot of people always ask, or always say, Debbie, I admire your energy. You all know my age. Whenever I hide my age from a comp on YouTube. So I just want to share with you my little stamina drink, you know, my little power up, homemade power up that I use sometimes. I drink sometimes. I use it to keep my body going as a senior, you know. I'm going to be doing it my way. No need for you to comment and tell me what to put in there from what not to put in there. I'm just sharing my way with you. You could share your way with me in the comment section too. It doesn't matter what you share. I would never bash you, okay? Because try to remember, to each of us our own, all right? Sometimes I can learn from you. Maybe you can learn from me. But some people, they don't care for you to learn from them, or they to learn from you. They care to just to comment mean, okay? So I'm not looking for that, even though, and if somebody want to put that, I'm not about it. But I'm just sharing with you as a senior at my age, you know, because as you grow older, you realize that you don't have the energy to do certain things, you know. And I must say thanks. I can walk for long periods. I can go up the hill. You see, my God sent me already about my bus going up the hill. But I was doing a lot of work before then. But you're going to see me, I go up some hill at St. Mary. But for me right now, them always say make me not bored. Sometimes you have like a, you know, like a ache, like a pain, like a gas, like a this. But most of the things that I could have done 20 years ago, I'm still doing it. So I'm giving thanks. So I'm going to show you right now my little Jamaican something. And I know a lot of Jamaicans know about this. I'm using some carrot and beetroots. Sometimes I would cook it, but this time I'm not cooking it. When, you know, when you cook it, you know it loses the color, yeah, you know. But I'm doing it raw. So I have my carrots. So I use half and half, like a pound of carrot, a pound of beetroot. 2 pounds of carrot, 2 pounds of beetroot. That's how I do it. So I'm going to be going now to make this fresh beetroot and carrot juice. So I'm going to be doing this in 2 portions though. Right? I got my water here and all of that. I don't do it too weak, like through a lot of water and stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go over here and start chopping and blending, and when I get all the juice, I'm gonna come back to show you the direct part where you want to see the power up part. I soon come back. Okay, now Paris, so this is my juice. Sometimes it will be more darker red because depending on the beetroot. So when you get the smaller beetroots, they are brighter in color. But I did not get the small ones, so you go. So this is the trash, we would say in Jamaica. When I cook it, when I boil it and I blend it, I don't really get any trash. It's always thicker, so I get all of the trash right there. So, but you can comment. This is where I want you to comment and tell me. Would you prefer to cook the carrot and the beetroot, and then puree it out with all these that I'm going to be doing? Or you'd prefer to do it this way and to throw out the trash. You tell me which way, because some people say when you cook the veggies, you lose nutrients. So you tell me which way you prefer. I am not sure. I think I've showed you this in a beetroot and carrot. I think I did, yes, on the cooking journey. But you comment and tell me which you would do. I do it both ways. When I want a quick one, I do it like this. When I have the time to cook it, so I cook it. But when I don't have the time, I do it like this. Now this is some of my juice that I add. The first thing I'm going to put in there is a little salt, you know, because I'm going to be using some milk, you know. So I put a little salt to bring the flavors together. And also, you know, that in, you know, sometimes milk, yeah, want to give a little bowel movement. I have a pack of my Jamaican Lasco here. This is vanilla flavor. So if you want to try it for yourself, you can use any flavor you feel like you want to use. I don't know. I think you get Lasco. Comment if you get Lasco anywhere in where you are. Okay? Now I am going to be using a dragon. And all my stuff have been washed. And all of that. So may I make sure. And I'm going to make sure that I do strain this thing. I'm going to get my strainer and come back, fam. So family, I'm going to strain it. I heard a little sound there. So make me strain it to see if anything go bad. Yep. So, but I don't think anything. That's why we normally do this, you know. And anybody pull anything and you see them do this, we are real Jamaican. And if nothing is there though, I think this thing just eat the cover. Alright. So I'm going to also put in an evaporated milk, a can of evaporated milk. This is the type of milk I use in mine. I'm going to be putting it in there. I want to stay away from a little extra real vanilla. Some people want to put supplegen, but I'm not sure if I would like to put supplegen in this one. Wow. Want to put like a cork full of my vanilla in this? Yeah. For sweetener, you could put some honey. Sometimes I put a little brown sugar depending on the mood that I'm in. I'm going to be putting a little cinnamon powder. Just a little, not too much, because I don't want to overdo it with the cinnamon. And this is my flax seed. So I stack up fresh flax seed. This is my go-to. I'm going to be blending out some flax seed in it. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this flax seed. Or if you have the grounded one, you could use the grounded one too. So I'm going to go back on here, and then I'm going to, as I say, if you have honey, you can put some honey or what you use as sweetener. Sometimes I use a little sugar, sometimes I don't, because the Lasco powdered milk, it has some sweetness to it. I'm going to put it on puree for about a minute. I'll soon come. Okay, fam, so I'm back, and this is what my little power up. Wow, my mess looks like. Me and Dad are going to drink this, you know. We do have some more. Went off camera. I had it too full, fam, so I had to take out some. Sometimes the devil is always up against everything you do. This is what it looks like as we put the milk in there. Sometimes it's a brighter color because the beetroot. So this is what I use to power up. And in this, I need no sugar, because I told you the Lasco powdered milk, it has a little sugar. All I need was to get this all cool. So I'm sharing with you. Tell me what you think about it. You don't have to put the dragon, because you know it's alcoholic. If you want to try it and you don't use alcohol, you could put like a Malta, non-alcoholic beverage, you know, that pep it up, because Malta has that taste with the apps and stuff. But you can try it and tell me what you think about it. Also remember to tell me if you would prefer to cook it and blend it and get all of those stuff, or you prefer to do it like this. Tell me which one you think would be the best. But when I do it like this, it doesn't matter. Do it the other way, it doesn't matter. It powers me up. I'm sharing with you. Hope you have enjoyed this power up. Cheers from the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain. When you get to see me, when you get to roll with me, we'll be doing and we'll be making and we'll be having some of these. It doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Stay powered up as we move into gear, heading towards the big 6 and 0.